How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Just gonna make a quick little video, show you guys how to check the oil level in your Supra. So you're gonna go over here to my vehicle, click on vehicle status, and there's gonna be 4 tabs here. This is for the tire pressure, engine oil level, vehicle message, and the service required. Just go to engine oil level, measure engine oil, start the measurement. So you're gonna have to drive for roughly half an hour before you're gonna be able to start the test. And what it's gonna do is rev the car a little bit, bring it to about 1,000 RPM. And it's gonna measure the level for you. 2021, no dipstick. I wish they would just put a classic dipstick on the car, but instead they have this electronic measuring tool. I have some stuff in my trunk that sounds like it's vibrating. Now the test is about half over. Test is done, engine oil level okay, and we're filled up right up to the max level, so we're good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for the next one.